Hey folks, last week I mentioned how you can set it up so Alpha Flight could see the discussions or you can post in one discussion. Let me show you how that works. So I'm in my course, or actually I'm not in my course. Let me go to my course and I'm going to select, go down to the next week that we're getting ready to work on. And so before I do that, first thing I want to do is make sure editing is turned on. So editing is turned on and I go down to my week. So I'm going to pick up the first discussion. And as you can see that I have my original discussion in there, types of squadrons, but there is no group, and so that's kind of problematic. What I'm going to do is go ahead and copy this, and I want to change to Alpha Flight, and then what I'm going to do is add a new discussion. And I'm going to paste those comments there and put a title on it and put a request please comment in this thread, and hopefully they'll stay within that particular thread. And when I'm done, I will post to the forum. And so now we have that. So when we go back to all participants, we'll see that we have a new item there for Alpha Flight, and they should be able to comment on that. So let me go here, and what I'm going to do is select delete and continue. So now we have, for this particular one, types of squadrons, Alpha Flight. It's good to go. When students come in here, they should be able to get directly to that. The other thing that I want to note or post was the gradebook. So on the navigation, if you scroll on down to course admin, that is where the gradebook is. So the grades are posted there, and folks are at different levels of completion. But when you grade a discussion, these automatically get updated. So what is important, and I'll show you, see if we have things to grade. Let me look at this particular one. Any new discussions? I think we have a new discussion in here. And you'll see these numbers that, basically I'm looking at these and I'll read them, and if it meets the qualifications or what the intent is, then I will give them a 1. So it's either 0 or 1, and go ahead and rate those, and that will automatically update the gradebook. They need a minimum. You can do it as many times that you want, but they won't you can't overscore them. So 0 or 1, go ahead and add those and you should be good to go. All right, so I think that's it, and what I'll do now is I'm going to go back to my course and I'm going to fix those discussions for the rest of this week, so I am ready to go tomorrow and get that open. So good luck with that. If you have any questions, please let me know.